let's bring on board Sunil Thirumalai, who is the Executive Director, Head of EM and Asia Equity Strategy at UBS. And if you look at the markets, they've been doing absolutely nothing. What's your take coming on the fact that we have a lot of activity when you talk about the global markets, a lot of headlines that we are working around with? Based on that, how should one actually position themselves for a brand new year that's 2025?
Thank you very much. Yes, I think 2025 will be, very uncertain, and that's generally not a good thing for markets. So I think if I take from a global perspective, and especially from an emerging markets or Asia perspective, there are many headwinds, right? So you have potentially a Trump administration that could impose tariffs on many parts of the world outside the US. You could see some tax cuts for US corporates. So from a relative perspective, it's so easy to just stay long US and take money out of rest of the world, right? So that is a very strong headwind. On the at the same time, valuations are not cheap. Valuations for not just for India, it's even at the EM level. You are at significantly high levels over a 10-year, 12-year periods, and you're probably heading into a situation where long-term yields will stay higher for longer. Corporate credit spreads in the US, because the economy is likely to kind of slow down. You will see spreads widening. So all of those are headwinds on valuations as well. So that's the overall global context. Within that, I think India is screening quite expensive, and it feels a lot more expensive in the context of the weak earnings and the weakish macro that we are going through. So yeah, I mean, we actually have a downside for MSCI EM, for 2025, and within that we are underweight on India.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.